guys know that I love a steal of a deal, and Allure, they just keep going, you guys. So not only can you get this box for $15 in December with free shipping, mind you, you also can score 2 free bonus products if you sign up using my link and code down below. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings. I love finding a steal of a deal for you guys, and Allure just keeps knocking them out of the park, you guys. The last 2 months have been insane, and every month they keep offering these amazing deals, but they continued the deals for December, you guys. So right now, if you guys order in the month of December with my link, with my discount code, you're gonna be able to receive an entire box of beauty products for only $15. And honestly, I want you to think about that for a second. We're out there. I mean, if you go to Sephora, what can you buy for $15? You're definitely not walking out with more than one product. I mean, for sure, it's going to be one item, and most likely it's going to be a small travel-sized item is what you're going to get. But with Allure, they're going to send you 8 products this month for $15. Do you see now why I'm saying this is such a good deal? So like I mentioned, I do have that link and that discount code all listed down below for you guys. This box is going to feature 6 items inside of it every single month. But for the month of December, if you sign up as a new member, you're actually going to receive 2 free bonus products in your box. Plus, on top of that, you get to customize your December box a little bit. We're gonna go into that. So everyone in December is going to be receiving a full-size product from Tarte Cosmetics. This one is their lip cream stick. They have 4 different shades available, and you are able to choose when you sign up which shade you would like to go with. So I have with me the mauve shade today. I honestly feel like they are all very wearable. They're all good colors to have. So I don't think you can go wrong with any of the shades. But like I said, this one is the mauve shade that I have here. So this is a full-size product. It will give you hydration to your lips, but it's also going to give you that tint of color as well. If you were to go to Sephora and purchase this, it would retail for $26, you guys. $26 for one product. Or you get the Allure box for $15. So here's what that mauve shade will look like once again. I feel like it's a gorgeous soft pink shade. So in the light, if it catches it just right, you'll notice it's a little bit darker, but truthfully, when it goes down, it applies as a beautiful soft pink. The other shades that you could choose though for this product are going to be peachy pink. There's also a cranberry shade, or you could go with peppermint. But like I mentioned at the outset, you're gonna receive 2 free bonus products if you sign up in December. The first free bonus item you're going to receive is an eyelash curler from Ico London. This is a full-size beauty tool. The second product that you're going to receive for free is coming from KVD. This is the full-size, full-sleeve mascara. The shade will be black, and this is a mascara that has a tubing formula. I personally love the tubing formula because it's a lot more gentle on your eyelashes, and it's easier to remove. Essentially, that formula will do a wrap around each lash, and it's kind of like a macaroni noodle where it'll just slip right off of your lashes when you're ready to remove it. So it's a little bit gentler. It's not going to pull or tug your lashes when it comes time to take it off. But both of those products are included absolutely free as long as you buy in December. But that's not the only thing you're going to receive this month. Also included in your December boxes, you will have a product from Grown Alchemist. This is also a full-size product, and it also retails for $50, you guys. $50 or $15? I don't think that's a hard decision. So this particular product is a moisturizer. This is the Hydra Restore Day Cream. It's 65 ml of product. So this particular product is the moisturizer. So it is a Hydra Restoring Day Cream. We have 65 ml of product here. So like I said, it is full size. This moisturizer will give you hydration back to your skin, but it's also perfect for the winter air that we're going into. So this day cream, it is going to be an ultra hydrating cream. So it's a little bit stronger than some of the other ones out there. It is in one of these metal tubes, so it's very flexible that you can squish this around. Personally, what I like with these is you can not only recycle them, but you can additionally get every last drop out of this tube. So it actually will just roll down at the bottom here, and you're able to twist this out and get all of your moisturizer. But the great thing is this is not a sticky or tacky moisturizer, so once you apply it, it dries very quickly and your skin's gonna feel soft and hydrated afterwards. But the Allure Beauty team always guarantees 3 full-size products every single month, not including your new member gifts. So our third full-size product for December is going to be a hand serum. This one is perfect again going into winter. Now I have tried this product by means of another subscription box, but I love this product, you guys. So I'm actually really glad that I've tried it beforehand because I can give you a full review on this. So this hand serum is a little bit different than your traditional lotions. Lotions are essentially the equivalent to a moisturizer giving you that hydration. Serums are a little bit different in the sense that they're gonna go after your fine lines and wrinkles specifically. So that is what this item will do. It is going to help to lock in moisture, but it's also going to target those fine lines and wrinkles that you might have on your hands. I often think that skincare sometimes gets forgotten outside of our face. We get so focused on the skin just here, but we have it everywhere. So this is another product that is great to help out with, but it specifically is targeting your hands. So it is a full-size product. It's 2 ounces or 60 ml. If you were to go online to their website and purchase this, it retails for $42. The other benefit to this serum is it's also going to help to reduce the look of dark spots or any hyperpigmentation that you might have. So if you have any of those really dark spots on your hands, this will help to reduce the look of those. It will take some time to achieve that. It's not an instant treatment. You do want to stay consistent. They typically recommend that you do this every day at night, and then you're going to notice that difference after a few weeks. So those are the 3 full-size products that you will receive in December on top of your new member gifts, but you're also going to receive 3 travel or sample-sized items this month as well. So our first travel item that we have is from Maria Nyla. This is the True Soft Argan Oil, and it is designed for your hair. It is 100% vegan, and it is going to soften your hair once you apply this. It is also cruelty-free and PETA certified. This is a travel size bottle that we have here. However, the full-size version would retail for $40. So the idea behind this product, again, is going into winter, usually our hair will start to take a beating because it is colder, drier air. So this is going to help to restore some of that moisture back to our hair. It's going to soften the actual strands as well and cut down on frizz and split ends. So that is why you'd want to put this on fairly frequently to keep up on it, so that way you wouldn't have those split ends from the dry air. I always find going into winter, this is now when we want to start stepping it up with our moisture, our hydration, and it's everywhere. It's not just your facial skin. You got to hydrate your hair more in winter time. I mean, literally everywhere. Your body moisturizers, this is the time we got to amp up our hydration. Also included in your box this month is a product from Sephora. This is one of their items they make in-house. This is their vitamin C and E super glowing serum. So this is a travel sized amount that we have here at 8 ml. It is designed to be a facial serum that will give you a brightening effect after using it. And the last item inside of your winter box will be a sunscreen. Now, even though it's winter, you still need to wear sunscreen, you guys. So this one is going to be a travel size version that we have. It's 10 ml of product, and it is a daily UV defense hydrating sunscreen. It will not dry out your skin. It's going to give you a little bit of moisture as you apply this on. Typically, you're going to put this on during your skincare treatment. Usually you want to cleanse and tone, do all your serums first, and then you're going to be applying on your sunscreen afterwards, but before you do your makeup. I mean, I think that stands to reason, but make sure you're not making a mess of your makeup afterwards. So this is what it will look like here. Like I said, this is just a small little travel amount that you can try out and see what you think of it. I've not personally used this sunscreen, but I do find that most sunscreen works about the same. So I think this is gonna be great. Again, going into winter, stocking up, we've got a little bit of this sunscreen here. So that is everything that you're going to receive in your December box from Allure Beauty. You will receive a total of 8 products if you're a new member, or if you're an existing member, you're gonna receive all 6 of these items that I just showed you today. Well, with the exception of the Tarte product, you may have a different shade depending on what you customized. So that is everything inside of the Allure Beauty Box for December 2024. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of the December box today? And again, if you sign up using my link and the discount code, you're gonna get the discount and you're gonna get 2 extra products on top of all of this today. I know I've repeated myself like several times, you guys, but seriously, when it's this good of a deal, I mean, I'm always like, you guys, this is a great one. Like, here's this. I so badly want you to take advantage of all the best deals. And there's so many amazing deals happening this weekend that I'm like, okay, I really want to focus in on what's really good. To me, getting 8 products for $15 is a really good deal. I mean, that's better than a lot of the advents that we've even seen. So yes, I'm super excited, and I've repeated myself like 6 times, but that's the reason why, is I want you to get the best deal. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!